everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix language bar missing from taskbar in Windows 11 and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into a step. Sometimes you will not be able to find the language bar here. So if that is the case, first we need to go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings. Now from here you have to navigate to the time and language. Now from here click on typing. Scroll down and navigate to advanced keyboard settings. Now from here what we need to do is click on the language bar options. Now from here you have to go to the language bar. First and foremost step is all about make sure that you put a check on, or you have to select floating on desktop. Then you have to go over here, put a check on show the language bar as transparent when inactive. Put a check on show additional language bar icon in the desktop taskbar. Now go for OK, then you can check whether the issue is solved or not. But still, if it's not working, just go back to the time and language, go to the language and region. Now from here, if you find any language apart from English, which means any native languages is there. For example, imagine this is China. So if that or Chinese, then you can just click on the three-dot menu and go for the remove the language, then you can check. That might work. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.